welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is talking about this person. She's saying that it's in Canada. And she's saying also that social media has been really quiet about the person that's in prison. And that would have been, since she did not call any name, I guess you all would have to listen to the video to see what she is saying and see if you can put one and two together to make, or one and one together to make two, to find out just who she's speaking about. She's saying that social media has been very, very quiet about this person that has been taken away for, well, that has been in jail for fraud, for scamming money from people, basically, for her business in Canada. And she's saying that this other person is now in Canada, and why would that person be there? You know, allegedly, she said, um, having people pay to see her. And she's allegedly saying that this may be because she's having some problems that looks like it's a money problem, or maybe the other lady that's in prison had invested some money for her, and that's why she's there, she's saying. So, as you know, these are all allegations, and, Curly, she's just seen her piece. So, go ahead and go catch the video and see what she has to say. And guys, remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. Also, for all the lovelies that are out there that are celebrating their birthdays today, have a wonderful day. And I wish you prosperity, love, joy, peace throughout the year. And for all my other lovelies that are here today, have yourselves a beautiful and wonderful day.
That no look right. That sound like you're having some money problem. That sound like I think that woman when at the prison. Yeah. Invest some money for you. In a supermarket there. Get me there. Nobody now talk about the girl and the 12 and a big friend. Everybody quiet. In the heart of winter, then all you see I get through to come America. Then if you get through to come America, how you not come America yet? Yeah? How you got why how you not reach America? Huh? Wouldn't you come America for? Look how much time I got Canada. In the heart of winter. Me now watch our money. Are you a watch our pussy? Me a analyze her. You a watch her pussy because you a crubby. You a wash it. But me a analyze situation. She's there on Facebook. So, if you want to go over there, go watch her crotch, go on over there. Me just analyze her. That's all me do. But you come out here, I watch her jaw scratch. That's your point. Come in there. Come make something like that. Me just analyze her. Because she's a public figure on social media. Me can't debate. Me have money. I have to watch her money. After me have teeth. Me don't want it. Me have money for myself. Me have money on purse. Me have money. Me think say me have money on purse right now. Me have money. Yeah. Me have money. All kind of money. Me have money on purse. Me have money on purse. Now what have money? Me have money. Me have money on purse. Whole heap of money. Me have money on purse. Whole heap of money. Me have money on purse. I'm not watching her money. Me have money on purse. Watch out. A handful of money. Me have a handful of money. How me for watch her money? Me have money on purse. So me now watch her money. Me now watch her money. All kind of money. So me not watching her money. Me save no more in there. Me save no more. I'm a bank card in there too. All right. So let's begin. So, we have money in there. And I'm money in there. I'm money. We have all over the floor. Money there. Go pick them up. Because you have what? So me I said to myself, say, in a February, the heart of winter, see I got tell me, say, you couldn't wait until all April, May. If you go Canada, go do meet and greet, then me give people come out of them cold bed. Huh? All of a sudden, you know follow fashion here? All of a sudden, everybody turn singer. So they watch me from Facebook and hear me go Aruba go sing for my friend. You know what everybody turn singer now? Everybody want to be a big singer for a show. Huh? You know see Diane, everybody is sing. Mirrors, just because I go sing. You look a song to my friend. Hey, everybody gonna sing. Then what kind of raw song them they are sing? Fit that the woman there. Them the song they not fit that the woman there. No sir. Them is not Huh? Them this Christian tongue there. Hang them the hang. Like people like you. Then people like who? Huh? There's a place in heaven. All the foreign people don't I think that. They don't know sing, I mean they also not sing that, you know. Many things there, I'm the other one. Oh no, yeah. I'm trying to sing more. No, sure. That's rice pepper. We hot. So I am saying, where you answer me the question, where you do a Canada? And you can't come cuss me say me no live nowhere. Cause which part me I live? You're a bumbleclad people them where you cuss for me. The only person that can chat are the people where you pay mortgage. Which part me I live? A blood clot mortgage money me I pay, so you can't cuss me and tell me nothing. Do you hear what I said? For where I live, for the past few months, a blood clot mortgage money. So you can't cuss me. So you can't rule that out. So if you didn't know, you can't drop no word about ya. Because when me appear is mortgage money. So you have to rule that out when you cuss me. Alright, let's get back to business now. Alright, So my thing is, you just don't sell how much cake. Your friend at jail. You send how much Valentine's Day. You got Panama, give her over $8,000 or more, not US dollar. Hotel or kind of thing. Now let's take it back after the camera. I wonder if she take it back after the camera. I wonder if it's a little catch and she take it back after the camera. If it's a step back after the camera right now. You people ain't paying one money. Are you gone? And when you say, Curly, you know, see she do breakfast time like you too. And when you say, that don't surprise me. She do everything what me do. Pass social media. I don't know that. Let me do. Trending drama. I hope you play this on your live tomorrow. Why? Why should Trending Drama take my video and go play on your live tomorrow? Me don't give nobody the permission to play on my live. We are tell Trending Drama to put himself in an infringement. Wow. Yeah? Because I know that Trending Drama can't get strike. Huh? You think just because you see me over some page and register, we can't strike anybody on social media. to use my contents. Yeah, you know that. So how you are sending up put him in a trouble? If you go get strike. Huh? Just because me not strike by it. So me I sit to my home. Because he said me stop cursing Dana. So me ask a question. Because he said I stop cursing Dana. Let me ask a question. Did you have no bumbleclad permission to come over here come ask no question, boy? Me ask a question. So me look like did you hear me? Did you hear me tell her bad word? I me just analyzing things. Do you hear me cursing bad word? Then I want people get phone a brain from. Me not understand. Did I tell you to come over here for what? You hear me a cuss? Oh, your favorite big bird. Oh, I'm a beautiful bird, honey. Yes, my favorite bird, because bird can fly high. My favorite bird. Oh, that's all I can say, stagnant? Bitch, me stagnant? And me living in a building, yeah? I me just come out of one of the biggest hotel. I'm at Queens, New York. I in a nice club room where privileged people go. With my type of card with my privilege card when me have. Are you fucking crazy? My club card when me have. Are you crazy? Bitch. You should spot me at breakfast at morning time. Eh? Regular only it's only privileged people and certain people can go. So you know see what me get served. Me, if you go downstairs, you have to pay for that Ross. Me get everything free. I have people come take up half of me. And bring things to me. Then how you talking to calling stagnant? I mean, go sit your ass down. Go sit your ass down and come on page. Then I will call on over here. Let me get back to my little business here. I am saying, I ain't cursing her. I'm asking how she reach a Canada in a cold time. I keep meet and greet. And I charge people. And she a millionaire. So, and I pay poor people come there. Hmm? So why make you have to suck out little people their money? That was it. You just do Valentine's Day. Valentine just over. Sell how much basket. I still get a Canada and charge people. Let me get the charger. Stagnant? Stagnant? I mean, you see that mind? Me and my nice, sweet, relaxing. Stagnant? No, I don't know about that. I don't know about it at all. My life is called happiness, honey. Me find happiness. Me never find happiness when me take my money I give to people. And I send through Western Union and go to Jamaica every time. Till Western Union money grand block me. Me find it. Me find my happiness. Me it was very sad when time me did stagnant. When time me I send my money go yard. Every February go keep big treat. For some of the ungrateful people in from Williams Cocoa Walk. For 30 years. For 30 years straight. And that now it's all about me, honey. Oh. Well, Auntie Dana, no beg. Jealousy I go kill her. Everything bother her lady if she spit. Me forget say. I forgot say. Me forget say. Me no in the ghetto place. What were you say? She no beg. La. What you say to me? Hello, some people put up some laugh emoji for me though, please. Hello, don't help me laugh because I can't laugh at people. Huh? So, but don't laugh for me though. I beg no do. No worry about it, something back of me here. If die, never catch back there. Go and go worry about it. The grey hair for your pussy. And see if you can get some black hair put on it. No worry about it there with back of me black part of the family. Go worry about the grey hair with the your pussy. And go get some black dye and black knit. So your pussy won't look like a age pussy. You might care back to it young, tender age. So no worry about. Don't worry about the black dye upon my ear. Just cut that up a grade for your pussy front. Yeah. And worry about the party. Let's get back. Una laugh for me. What they say? She na beg. Una laugh for me. Can me can't laugh in a people in prestigious place. Una laugh for me now. Me beg on the door. What you say? What? Your hand in a bag? Boom, boom. And we not. But me near me little grass, yeah? Can make a water.